In this walkthrough, I will show the first-day setup path for a new operator. Start with settings. Confirm the company profile, renter-facing brand name, support email, support phone, default rental policies, insurance proof expectations, inspection evidence mode, and dashboard language preference. Next, open billing. Confirm the base plan, vehicle limit, website add-on state, Stripe status, and any integration usage notes. Then add at least one vehicle in fleet. A vehicle record is needed before rentals, calendars, request forms, website cards, and evidence packets can work properly. After that, open request channel. Confirm the hosted request link, SMS and WhatsApp share actions, widget settings, and templates. Then decide whether the operator needs a basic or professional website. If they want direct demand and local SEO value, professional is the stronger path. Finally, create one test rental and send the private renter workflow. The goal is to prove the operator can move from request to rental, readiness, and evidence before live volume begins. That is first-day setup, settings, billing, fleet, request channel, website decision, and one controlled test rental.